Is your Chrysler town and country acting up when it comes to keyless entry? This little part from Car Parts 360 might just be the solution you've been searching for. We're talking about the keyless entry receiver, specifically for the 2011 through 2014 models. Now, this isn't some fancy upgrade, but a crucial component that, when it fails, can leave you fumbling with your keys like it's the dark ages. The manufacturer part number is 68,105,738 AF, but they've helpfully listed a whole bunch of other compatible numbers, like 5,026,535 AI and 68,066,563 OB, which is great for making sure you get the right fit for your specific van. Car Parts 360 emphasizes that this receiver is made from high-quality materials, which is always a good sign when you're dealing with essential electronics. They also designed it for easy installation. Now, easy can be a relative term with car parts, but the implication is that it's a straightforward swap, not requiring a degree in automotive engineering. It arrives brand new and sealed in a box, so you know you're getting a fresh, untouched component. The real question is, does it work as advertised? For a part like this, the performance is pretty binary. It either works or it doesn't. When your keyless entry receiver is functioning correctly, you expect seamless operation, unlock, lock, and maybe even remote start if your vehicle is equipped. If it's failing, you might experience intermittent issues, the range decreasing significantly, or complete failure of the system. This replacement part aims to restore that factory-fresh functionality. Given that it's a direct replacement part, the expectation is that it will integrate perfectly with your vehicle's existing electrical system without any complex programming or compatibility headaches. It's essentially plugging in the missing piece to get your convenience features back online. So, if you're tired of the frustration of a malfunctioning keyless entry system in your 2011-2014 Chrysler Town & Country, this Car Parts 360 keyless entry receiver appears to be a solid, high-quality option. It promises a straightforward fix for a common annoyance, bringing back that essential convenience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.